If you need to close your Instacart account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Instacart website or open the app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find the account deletion option. Look for an option related to account management or account deletion. This may be labeled as close account or delete account. Step 4. Follow the deletion process. Click on the account deletion option and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the prompts, confirm that you want to close your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Instacart's customer support.